Why is Jaaxy keyword tool the best research tool over there, and why do you need one keyword tool? Hey, my name is Julius and I am from earningonyourterms.com, and today I'm gonna talk about Jaaxy research keyword tool. Are you ready? Let's get started. So first of all, why do you need one research keyword tool at all? Because you want to get ahead of your competition, right? And this keyword research tool is going to find you or help you find the best keywords in terms of traffic, in terms of competition, and in terms of your chances to get ranked. So, with that said, let me jump into my Jaaxy website and show you how does it work. So here I am already in my Jaaxy account. You can see it over here. I'm going to talk about memberships just in a second. First, let me show you how this works. So if I'm going to go with the first and foremost future insight, that's the keywords. Yeah, I'm over here already logged in. I can type any keyword I would like. Let's say we go with hiking. Yeah, let's try to search for hiking, what the Jaaxy is going to show us. And as you can see, there is always going to be a list of results. So hiking is experiencing almost 355,000 searches, traffic 60,000, and QSR, that's also something what would you like to know is hidden, but if you click on it, get QSR, it's going to show it. Okay, so let me explain to you the first three columns. They are the most important ones. Average means the average number of searches that the keyword receives per month. That's pretty self-explanatory, I guess. And traffic is something what would you like to actually see. There's the traffic which is to your website if you achieve first page rankings in the search engines. Meaning if you are going to rank under this particular keyword, this is the traffic you can expect. QSR, there's quoted search results. In other words, the number of competing websites ranked in the Google for this exact keyword. That's the competition. There are several measurements what people using inside of the Jaaxy. The way how I started and how I still use it up to date is 100, 30, 100. Meaning the first row you want to have at least above 100. Meaning at least 100 searches per month experience this keyword. This at least above 30, meaning that you want to have at least 30 searches if you are going to rank on the first Google page. And the competing websites you want to have ideally below 100. So therefore, this one says poor. Yeah. In general, as longer the keyword is, as better the chances are that you're gonna rank on it. They call it low competition keyword or low hanging fruit in a bit of slang. And as you can see, as longer is of course not always, but in generally speaking, as longer the keyword, as higher chances that you will rank. For example, how many calories do you burn hiking? You see that this is 56. That's already it's a bit lower, but I'm guessing that the QSR is going to be also lower, right? And it says great because it's exactly on 100. I said 130, 100, but I know people who are doing 50 50 rule. So meaning if it is above 50 and below 50, the QSR, then they're going to be okay and they are going to rank for it. I know people who are doing 100 and 100, meaning above 100, and these QSR below 100. I would suggest you to start with 130, 100, and later on you can adjust how you would like. Okay, let's go further. What are the other features inside of the Jaaxy? So the features, as I already said, are the keywords. That's over here. Additional great feature inside of Jaaxy is the site rank. The site rank is going to show you how you rank with your keywords. So let's say I'm going to click on site rank. Here I already done a little bit of research on my keyword. I can also check how my keywords are doing on the all time. So if I go and change it to all time, I see, for example, that the Jasper I was ranking just shortly in January this year. But I also have some tracked rankings over here. Again, I'm not checking it now lately, but those numbers used to be green and on the first page, not just on the Bing and Yahoo, but also on the Google. But you can see, you can set up some trackings, for example, weekly, monthly, twice a month, even daily. I think there is one, and then this Jaaxy is going to track them for you automatically. So you see how you are ranking on the Google, Bing, and Yahoo. What next? There is the affiliate program. This is also a great feature inside of the Jaaxy. Should you be really interested about this keyword tool and you really would like to be sharing this great tool with others, there is also affiliate link, affiliate program, meaning that you will earn extra when you're going to recommend this product and someone is going to purchase it. You see that there is a pro, you will get $20 a month, with the enterprise $40 a month. About the memberships, I'm going to talk just in a second, but that you get the idea that there is this affiliate program also available to you. What is another feature and what I love really a lot is this Jaaxy help. I mean, in the past I used some other keyword tools, but what I missed, plenty of them, was this mission customer support / training. And I'm really happy that with the Jaaxy, these two things are not really taken care of. So if I don't know how to use it, and if I am just kind of trying to figure it out on my own, I just go to Jaaxy help, and you can see there are some bonuses over here. 1000 high traffic, low competition keywords. Okay, this is less accurate because the keywords are changing, but still you get some starting point. There is some case study about niches, keywords, and the general success, and also domain industry secrets. So really, if you are about the domain flipping, this is also something which you can just go inside and have a look at what they have to tell you. For the rest, there are just some basics videos, how the Jaaxy works, right? Keyword research and management, website research and analysis, niche research, refinement, the affiliate program walkthrough. So this is really great starting point for you. Then if I'm going to back the other features inside of Jaaxy include alphabet soup. Alphabet soup is basically the same like Google research, where you are going to place keyword and then the Jaaxy is going to give you suggestions based on alphabet in order, right? So let's say we stick with the hiking. Jaaxy is going to show me straight away results starting with A, right? Okay, hiking Appalachian Trail, hike Arizona, hiking trails, long hike Appalachian Trail through hike, right? And if I'm going to move it here about a bit, then I will get other ones. So here is E, hiking essential day hikes and hiking NH 4000 footers. Okay, if I say I like this, best food hiking, okay, how to hike for hiking beginners, this is a good one. It has a lot of potential, I guess. So I'm just going to click on it, and I will be again thrown back to the keywords, and here I can play with it further. Okay, so this one is not really the best one, but for example, I can see how to prepare for hiking. It can be more interesting, right? Honestly, alphabet soup is not something that I'm using because I think that I'm already a little bit advanced in the keyword research, so I can just find my way with standard keywords. But this is really helpful tool as you are, if you are starting out and you just want to get more ideas coming to your head. Save list. So basically, the keywords. If you are in the keyword section and you like some of the keywords, you can create a list. Therefore, when you are coming next time to your Jaaxy, you just know that, okay, for this particular niche, like hiking, I created keywords under hiking, right? And then you have it under one section. Search history, that's also self-explanatory. You will just see when and what you searched for. Search analysis, this is also second next to SideRank, very important feature inside of the Jaaxy, because this is going to give you a sneak peek on the competition, right? So let's say you are staying inside of the, let's say I will check why why my keyword is not ranking, but who is ranking there and what I can do to change my website, my article to rank, right? You remember the keyword I tried at the first, why is Jasper AI bad? This was the first keyword I was showing you in my website. So now I can see what the first Google page, Bing page, or Yahoo page look like, right? So this is the Google page. Here, you know what? We can do some funny thing. I would like to show you and see actually if Jaaxy is showing some relevant results, right? So let's put this keyword into the Google search, shall we? Why just copy, go to the incognito Google search, and now we paste it, and this is it, SCI journal, and here what says Jaaxy SCI journal. You see? So the same article on the first page of Google. So this is really the proof that these searches in Jaaxy are relevant, right? Anyway, what this does is actually showing you some details what this particular blog post has. So I can see, okay, word count is 13,000. You can see the link on the sites. You can see the backlinks. Alexa rank. This one is not ranking on Alexa. Yeah, you can see there is AdSense. There says no. Okay, so this is also going to give you some additional sneak peek into your competition, and then you can adjust your blog posts. Affiliate programs, there you can see some affiliate programs into your niche or also in other niches, and brainstorm, that's also serving you as a tool to brainstorm your ideas. Again, just play around with it a bit. You see there are Google Trends, Alexa Topics, Amazon bestsellers, Twitter trends. So if you get inspired and if you are into the trends, if your niche is really related into the trends and you really want to keep up to date with the trends, then you can use this brainstorm feature. Otherwise, just use here some ideas to brainstorm, but feel free to play with it just inside of the keywords. Yeah, let's go further. What are the memberships inside of the Jaaxy website? I'm also a member of the Wealthy Affiliate, and there is the Jaaxy membership, the light version or lit version included. So here you see my account lit. This membership is available just with the Wealthy Affiliate, but there are also other memberships should you not join through Wealthy Affiliate, but just directly with the Jaaxy. Jaaxy offers the free starter trial, which is amazing. There are again not so many quality keyword research tools which are offering this free trial. So I find it really great that this is included in the Jaaxy. The free starter is going to give you opportunity for 30 keyword searches, 20 search results, website analyzer, affiliate program finder, keyword list manager, brainstorm idea feed, keyword competition data. It's the standard speed affiliate program. So you have also option to share it and to earn revenue with it, even if you don't pay for it. And 30 side rank analysis scans, right? Then you have a pro, which is obviously for more advanced guys, for people who are already running business. This is the most popular, by the way. And enterprise, this is more for the company users. So as you see, they're all the same features, just obviously higher numbers. So for example, here with the start trial, you have 30 side rank analysis. Here is 2,000 already. With enterprise, 10,000, right? So there is just really difference in that. So the light version is between starter and pro. I have with my, and you will have if you join through Wealthy Affiliate, also the 100 side rank analysis scans, for example. Alphabet soup is 10 letter. Oh, you know what? There is owner of Wealthy Affiliate who shared this screen over here. So here you can see this is the old pricing for the Jaaxy Pro and Jaaxy Enterprise, but Jaaxy Lead you can see is over here. And this is basically how it is built. 100 side rank scans, 10 letters, alphabet soup results, and here QSR, a manual domain availability affiliate program research you will do manually by yourself, but not bothering you. Anyway, should you really feel that the lit version or the free version is not enough for you, you can just go ahead and go for Pro or Enterprise. I mean, this is still affordable one if you compare it to other keyword tools available nowadays, right? What are some pros and cons with the Jaaxy? So the pro, the free trial. I just find it amazing that the keyword tool is offering free trial. You can just play with it as long as you stay with the 30 searches, see how does it work, see if it is something for you, if you like it or not, and then decide if this is something what you would go for. It is affordable, in my opinion, because again, if you do some research and see the good quality keyword research tools, right? Because there are also some low quality which can be found for free, but then you just get really the basic results. The good quality ones are much more expensive. There are accurate results. We just seen it with example over here, right? That what really Jaaxy showed us as a result, that was in reality also what Google showed us as a result. So that's great sign. Of course, is it 100% accurate always? No, it will be not. But they are saying that it's 99.5% accurate, and in my opinion, in my experience, what I used it in Jaaxy was really also what I seen on Google. And don't forget that Google is updating also every day, so that's why I think it's impossible to find data 100% accurate, but Jaaxy is coming very close to it. Another pro I like is the affiliate program, right? I mean, even if you are not paid member, you can still be referring to other people, and affiliate marketing is the great way to earn money online. By the way, if you don't know affiliate marketing and you would like to start affiliate marketing, also in the subscription there is a link how you can join my platform or platform I'm a member of, and there you can start earning money through affiliate marketing today for free. Next and the last pro that I found is the great training and support. Within Jaaxy, you will have access to support team, which is also part of the monthly affiliate support member team, and their response rate is great. It answered the same day, and it is barely more than 1 hour when I get the answer. And seeing that the company is based in US, I'm living in Europe, yeah, that's just amazing. So this is great. Plus the short but still to the point training, I think it also shows you that the people care and there are some valuable stuff to take with you. So I would also add this as a great pro. Con, there is one con what I found, and that's that the Jaaxy is just in English, right? So imagine that your website is in different language, then you will need to search for different keyword tool because Jaaxy is operating just in English. And they are, if you would do your research, there are some other keyword tools which are offering also results in different languages. I don't know the quality because honestly I never tried some different keyword tool except of Jaaxy, because I found Jaaxy there is everything what I need. But if you are in different language, if your website is different language, do your search and you will find some other keyword research tools. Okay, so finish it up. Do I recommend Jaaxy keyword tool? Hell yes, really, hell yes. I barely can imagine better tool for starting marketers, right? Because there is really all what you need as a starting affiliate marketer. And if you don't have your own website, or if you just starting out affiliate marketing, I would also encourage you to have a look down and below this video in subscription there is a link to platform I'm a member of, it called Monthly Affiliate, and there you will be taught how to be ranking for your keywords, how to find first of all the keywords, how to rank on the keywords, how to write articles using the keywords, and in the end how to earn money. So if you like this video, please subscribe the button below, share it, and until the next time.